Are those viral ads about bee venom cream really the next big breakthrough in skincare or just another flashy gimmick? VLSVLS Bee Venom Skin Restoration Cream claims to lift sagging skin, erase wrinkles, and tighten your body in just a matter of days, promising results that almost sound too good to be true. So we took a deep dive into everything behind the product to separate facts from fantasy. The first red flag was the website itself. Poorly structured, lacking transparency, and full of generic stock images and glowing reviews that appeared fake upon closer inspection. Reverse image searches confirmed that many of those miracle transformation photos have been recycled across different skincare products and even unrelated industries. Their bold anti-aging promises aren't backed by any scientific studies or clinical trials. And the supposed benefits of bee venom, while trendy in some high-end beauty circles, are nowhere near as instant or dramatic as advertised here. We also analyzed the product's WA data and found it registered anonymously with very little legitimate business information available, raising even more suspicion. On Amazon, the reviews are a mixed bag. While a few users did notice temporary skin tightening or smoother texture, many others reported no real change and described the cream as overpriced or underwhelming. Trustpilot, another major review site, showed minimal trustworthy feedback, with some accounts appearing automated or copy-pasted. In the end, VLSVLS Bee Venom Cream isn't a total scam, but it's definitely a heavily marketed product relying more on hype than proven results. If you're looking for real skincare improvements, this might not be the miracle you're hoping for. Proceed with caution and don't let the buzz fool you.